Hi guys, it's Michael here from TradeHack. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how best to set up the system to make it ready to start adding clients, locations, and then finally adding in devices. So to get started, I'm going to click on Settings, drop down. You'll see on the top of the list is My Account. This account has already been set up by default, so I'm going to simply click on Cancels. So from here you will need to add any cancels for any of the regions that you'll be working in. To add a cancel, you simply click on the green box, Add a Cancel, type the name of the cancel, any contact name that you've got, any contact phone number, and then the most crucial details that will be entered is the email address. Now the reason why this email address is so important is this is where all the Form 9s will be sent automatically to. I would suggest if you're not sure on the email address that you ring the council and confirm this email address first. So once you've got your council added in, the next thing you can do is to add any staff members from your business into the system. I'll simply click on staff. You can see there on top I've got myself down as company admin and tester. If I was a one-man operation, this is the only line that I would have, and I would receive any notifications as admin. I would have the authority to test as a licensed and endorsed tester. But in this case there are two admin staff and there's also an additional tester in this company. If we want to add a new member in, you simply enter in the details of the new staff member. We'll give them a login email address. We'll give them an initial password so they may gain entry into the system. After this, they can simply change the password to something more meaningful to themselves. We can also assign them admin status, or if they are a tester, you'll see now that there is an additional information that is to be entered. We will need to enter in the endorsed plumbing license for this staff member, and our contractor's license number will need to go into the contractor's license number box. From here, the staff member will simply sign in with his signature, whether it is on initial setup or when they first log in, they can go in and enter their signature in on the first time through and simply save that new staff member. So next down on the list is billing. From here you get the chance to go back to a bundle of 10 tests, or if you're on a bundle of 10 tests you can opt to go up to a subscription. Next down on the list we have notification settings. I'll click on that. You can see there that I've actually got the notification settings ticked on both boxes. This is because I have admin staff and I want them to receive notifications for upcoming jobs and completion reports. Also, as a company admin tester, if I click this box here, this means that I will receive all of these notifications myself. Now, if I was a one-man operation, I would simply only need to click this box here so that I am receiving notifications of completion of jobs. After a day of testing, I go home, I look at my email, and I can see all of the completed jobs holding all of the Form 9s that were attached to that job. From there I can then invoice accordingly to the completed jobs and email out the invoices. The address that the notifications and emails will be sent from will come from this address that you will put in here. We also have the chance to upload our logo, which will be on the letterhead of all email and notifications sent out. Please note that this maximum dimension is 500 by 500 pixels. It will take JPEG, GIF and PNG only. The next one down is test kits. From here we can simply add a test kit, enter in the details, the serial number, the brand, the make. Most importantly will be the date that you give it for the date of last verification. Once a test kit is displayed 11 months after this date of last verification, the status will change, informing the user that this test kit will need recalibration. Once this recalibration process has taken place and we have a new date of last verification, we will simply go in and edit this date and the cycle will start all over again. I can simulate this date being within the last month and show you just how that status will change. You can now see that the status has changed to needs calibration. If I simulate that we don't get that changed, it now changes status to out of date, do not use. Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that's cleared up on how better to set up the system in preparation to add clients, locations and devices.